Cats have been part of human lives for centuries. Their popularity as pets continues to grow. But what makes them so special? Is it their independence, their agility, or their adorable little noses? Whatever the reason, one thing is certain. Cats win our hearts like no other animal can. Throughout history, cats have been admired for their grace, beauty, and hunting skills. From ancient Egypt to modern-day households, they have played a significant role in our lives. Yet many of us still don't fully understand what makes them tick. Let's explore the unique bond between cats and their human caregivers. We'll dive into the science behind their behavior, emotions, and ability to thrive in our homes. So buckle up! It's going to be a fascinating journey. Long ago, wild cats were solitary hunters, roaming deserts and forests in Africa and Asia. When humans settled into agricultural communities, wild cats saw an opportunity. They hunted rodents that threatened crops, and humans provided food and shelter in return. As time passed, this relationship transformed. Cats adapted to their new environment, developing behaviors that made them cherished pets. They evolved from pest controllers to beloved companions. Historically, cats were more than just pets. In ancient Egypt, they were revered as gods, often mummified and buried with their owners. In medieval Europe, they were valued for catching mice that threatened food supplies. Today, cats are integral parts of our families. They bring us joy, comfort, and connection in a fast-paced world. But what is it about them that makes us love them so much? For many cat owners, it's the unique bond built on trust and affection. My own cat, Whiskers, knows when I'm feeling down. She curls up beside me, purring softly, and somehow, my worries fade away. Cats have subtle ways of communicating with us. Whiskers meows loudly when she's hungry, but whispers softly when she wants to cuddle. It feels like she knows exactly what I need, and that's truly special. Cats also sense our emotions. They know when we're anxious or stressed and try to comfort us. Research shows petting a cat lowers blood pressure and reduces stress. Of course, being a cat owner isn't always easy. Litter box mishaps and scratched furniture can be frustrating. But despite the challenges, millions wouldn't trade their feline friends for anything. So, what makes cats so special? Is it their curiosity, playful antics, or adorable faces? Whatever it is, they burrow deep into our hearts and stay there. Behavioral issues can be tough to handle, like excessive meowing or scratching. But with patience, understanding, and the right guidance, these can be managed. Health concerns like dental problems or urinary tract infections are also common. Working with veterinarians and following best practices helps ensure a long, healthy life for your cat. Misconceptions about cats are widespread. People think they're aloof or low maintenance, but they require as much care as dogs. In fact, their unique personalities mean they need even more attention. How can we ensure our cats get the best care? First, educate yourself on cat behavior, nutrition, and health. Second, work closely with veterinarians and seek expert advice when needed. Organizations like the ASPCA and Humane Society provide resources and support. They help build a community of responsible pet owners who prioritize cats' well-being. The cat-loving community is inspiring. From local shelters to online forums, there are countless resources to help us care for our cats. Reflecting on my journey with Whiskers, I'm amazed by her impact on my life. She's taught me patience, compassion, and the value of living in the moment. Cats don't just make perfect companions, they teach us about ourselves. They remind us to slow down, appreciate little things, and love unconditionally. If you're a cat owner, share your stories and love for these incredible animals. If you're not, learn more. You might just fall in love with these amazing creatures. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the magic of cats. Check out our other videos for tips on cat breeds and caring for new cats. Who knows, you might become a cat owner yourself one day.